A hiking gear essentials list comprises crucial items ensuring safety, comfort, and preparedness on trails. This checklist includes backpacks, navigation tools like maps or GPS, adequate hydration systems, proper clothing and footwear, shelter like tents or emergency blankets, nutrition-packed food, first aid kits, and emergency communication devices. These essentials are vital for hikers, guaranteeing a successful and enjoyable trek while prioritizing safety and readiness for unforeseen circumstances. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 4. Cascade Mountain Tech Carbon Fiber Quick Lock Trekking Poles are a reliable and versatile option for hikers, backpackers, and outdoor enthusiasts seeking stability and support during their adventures. These trekking poles are constructed from lightweight and durable carbon fiber, making them incredibly lightweight while maintaining excellent strength and durability. The carbon fiber material also helps to reduce vibrations and absorbs shock, minimizing strain on your joints and muscles. The quick lock mechanism allows for easy and secure height adjustment, accommodating users of varying heights and terrain requirements. The poles have a telescoping design that allows them to be easily collapsed and extended, making them convenient for storage and transportation. The comfortable and ergonomic cork handles provide a secure grip and wick away moisture, ensuring a comfortable and slit-free grip, even during challenging hikes. The adjustable wrist straps add extra stability and prevent the poles from dropping. The tungsten carbide tips provide exceptional traction on various surfaces, including rocky terrains and slippery slopes, while the removable rubber tips offer added grip and stability on softer ground. The poles also come with mud baskets and snow baskets, allowing for versatile use in different weather conditions and terrains. With their lightweight yet durable construction, adjustable height, and reliable grip, the Cascade Mountain Tech Carbon Fiber Quick Lock Trekking Poles are a valuable companion for outdoor enthusiasts who desire stability, support, and enhanced performance during their hiking and backpacking endeavors. Number 3. Osprey Pak's Aether Hiking Backpack is a high-quality and feature-rich backpack designed to meet the needs of serious hikers and backpackers. With its spacious capacity and durable construction, the Aether is built to handle long treks and challenging environments. Available in different sizes to accommodate various torso lengths, this backpack offers a customizable fit for optimal comfort. The Aether features Osprey's anti-gravity suspension system, which includes a suspended mesh back panel, adjustable shoulder straps, and a supportive hip belt, providing excellent load distribution and reducing fatigue on the trail. The backpack offers ample storage space with a large main compartment, multiple zippered pockets, and external attachment points for gear like trekking poles and ice axes. It also includes a separate sleeping bag compartment and side access zipper for convenient organization and easy access to gear. The Aether incorporates Osprey's innovative hydration system with a dedicated hydration sleeve and an external hydration port, allowing for easy access to water while on the move. The backpack also features a removable top lid that converts into a day pack, providing versatility for shorter excursions from base camp. Additionally, the Aether includes a removable rain cover to protect gear from wet weather conditions. With its durable construction, comfortable suspension system, and thoughtful design, the Osprey Pak's Aether Hiking Backpack is a reliable and versatile choice for hikers and backpackers who prioritize comfort, organization, and durability on their outdoor adventures. Number 2. Nemo Hornet Elite Ultralight Backpacking Tent is a top-of-the-line shelter option for those seeking a lightweight and reliable solution for their backpacking adventures. Weighing in at just over 2 pounds, this tent is designed for the minimalist backpacker who values weight savings without compromising on comfort or durability. The Hornet Elite features a single-walled design, utilizing high-quality materials and innovative construction techniques to provide excellent weather protection. The tent is constructed with a combination of lightweight fabrics and a strong yet lightweight DAC Featherlight aluminum pole system, ensuring stability and durability in harsh conditions. Despite its ultralight design, the Hornet Elite offers ample interior space, with a roomy floor plan and a peak height that allows for comfortable sitting and movement. The tent features 2 doors and 2 vestibules, providing convenient access and storage options for gear. The mesh panels on the tent's walls and ceiling offer excellent ventilation and minimize condensation, enhancing airflow and breathability. The Hornet Elite utilizes a unique hubbed pole design and color-coded clips for quick and easy setup, making it a breeze to pitch the tent after a long day on the trail. The tent's pack size is compact, making it easy to fit into a backpack without taking up too much space. With its ultralight construction, spacious interior, and user-friendly design, the Nemo Hornet Elite Ultralight Backpacking Tent is a top choice for backpackers who prioritize lightweight gear without sacrificing comfort and durability. Number 1. HydraPak Stow Bottle is a versatile and collapsible water bottle designed for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday use. This innovative water bottle is made from a flexible and durable TPU, thermoplastic polyurethane, material that allows it to be easily compressed and rolled up when empty, saving valuable space in your backpack or bag. The Stow bottle features a wide mouth opening that makes filling and cleaning a breeze, and it is equipped with a leak-proof twist cap that ensures no spills or leaks during transport. It also includes a convenient carry handle on the cap, allowing you to attach it to your gear or carry it with ease. The bottle has a capacity of 1 liter, providing ample hydration for your outdoor adventures or daily activities. The TPU material is taste-free, so you can enjoy the pure flavor of your water without any plastic aftertaste. The Stow bottle is also BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning and maintenance. Additionally, the bottle is compatible with most water filters and purifiers, making it a reliable choice for backcountry trips or emergency preparedness. The HydraPak Stow bottle is a compact and lightweight water bottle that offers convenience, durability, and versatility in a collapsible design, making it an excellent choice for those who want a reliable hydration solution without sacrificing space or weight.